How to find someone on Facebook by picture. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to find someone on Facebook by picture. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. So let me just quickly search in for this person. So let's say I forget the name of this particular person. So in that case, what you can do is, or I just forget his details. So you must remember at least one or few details of that particular person. So let's say I want to search for this person, and as you can see, when I go over to this people section, there are so many accounts regarding related to this name. So to find out, you can see there is a filter button at the top right corner. Just tap on this. So you can, let me just select as this person lives in the specific location. So I'll just tap on this city button over here and just click on city and find a city. So let's say I want to click on this city over here and just click on show results. So as you can see, it will automatically filter out the particular profile with that particular image. So if you know that person, you will automatically click on that particular person and you can automatically send friend request and find out that person just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.